Xiaomi unveiled the Redmi K80 series in China. The K80, K80 Pro and the Redmi K80 Pro Champion Edition. Redmi K80 will be globally rebranded as the Poco F7 Pro. Poco F7 Pro is available in Obsidian Black, Snow White, Mountain Green, and Moonlight Blue. The Poco F7 Pro features a 6.67-inch TCL M9 OLED 2K resolution flat panel with 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3200 nits. The device is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 3.3 GHz. The phone runs on HyperOS 2. It comes with up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM along with up to 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. The Poco F7 Pro features a triple rear camera setup, a 50MP Light Fusion 800 main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro sensor, a 20MP selfie camera. The Poco F7 Pro features a massive 6,550 mAh battery. It comes with 90W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.